Got them daggone big old fat tires on it. The only thing to make that thing better is some big old fat tires in the front and camo wrap it with duct tape. I would turn it on, but the battery's dead, so. Dragster. Dang, I'm pretty sharp painting mine, you know what I'm saying, dog? Have it. Oh no. I lost one of the pins.
I wanted that backflip.
Yeah.
Off
Probably.
of the reflector.
And yeah, it's pretty crazy when you hit a reflector and do a corkscrew and a backflip at the same time and then land on 4 tires and keep going.
Especially with tires like that.
Yeah, but I didn't have these tires on it there yet. But if I put the tires on it, it'd look stupid and it'll go slow, so. Because it did be spinning. Oh yeah, just break it, stupid. Dude, did you really just take that tire off? Whatever. I got my little old bitty tires now. But it's got some daggone pretty nice painting, man, you know what I'm saying, dog?